Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauerkraut. First, select fresh, firm cabbage, ideally organic, for the best flavor and texture. Next, shred your cabbage finely, aiming for about 1/8 inch thick pieces. This helps with proper fermentation. Finally, weigh your shredded cabbage and add 2% of its weight in non-iodized salt. Mix thoroughly to draw out moisture. Once salted, pack the cabbage mixture very tightly into a clean, sterilized jar. Press down firmly to release more liquid and eliminate air pockets. It's crucial that the cabbage remains fully submerged under its own brine. Use a fermentation weight if necessary. Allow it to ferment at a consistent room temperature, ideally between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal bacterial activity. For that distinct sour flavor, let your sauerkraut ferment for at least 3 to 4 weeks. The longer it ferments, the more pronounced the sourness will become. Taste it periodically after the initial few weeks to determine when it reaches your preferred level of tang. Once satisfied, transfer your finished sauerkraut to cold storage, like a refrigerator, to halt the fermentation process. Your delicious, homemade sauerkraut can be stored in the refrigerator for several months, continuing to develop its complex flavors. It's a fantastic addition to many meals, from sausages to sandwiches, offering a healthy probiotic boost. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and share your culinary creations with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.